The need for highly skilled Photoshop users is growing because we're just producing more images as a global culture. For you as a retoucher to make money, you have to understand that this is a business and that there's a bunch of strategy involved.
Bring the retoucher in before you shoot.
This is a hard thing to do. As a photographer, I'm going to tell you that's a very hard thing to do.
Photographers who understand how much work on set it is to correct something versus to do it in post are worth their weight in gold.
And one of the big things that I'm concerned about is time.
Well, we just made an extra $1,000 by keeping our mouths shut.
Business isn't something I'm really all that interested in, but it's something you have to do.
This is normal business practice, and it needs to be part of your business practice.
Those little things that add to the professionalism and the value.
We've developed an entire end-to-end business workflow that we're giving to you. What is the formal work agreement and why do we call it that? I'm going to use it in a real life scenario so you can see how easy it actually is to apply. We actually give the questions to ask at different stages of the job.
Yeah, and more importantly, the answers that you're looking for.
You could really paint yourself into a corner if you estimate this job wrong.
The details are so important.
Asking about the final image usage, that changes how much I estimate.
As part of the business workflow, we've developed a job calculation worksheet.
So we're giving you this entire end-to-end workflow that you can use every day in your business.
You're gonna feel a lot more comfortable when you encounter a new type of job. The main goal of these tutorials is to give you security.